Hey everybody, let's check out this wireless retro keyboard and mouse combo that I received for reviewing purposes. It comes in this sleek box, and inside you'll find the purple wireless keyboard with classic round keycaps, which I think that they look beautiful. It has an amazing color. In the back we have some anti-slip patches and some retractable supports so we can angle it and make it more comfortable. It comes included with some batteries, and you get the proper matching mouse that comes with a 2.4 gigahertz nano receiver to place in your USB port, and it's just plug and play. So you just pop it into your USB port and you're ready. You don't need to unload any driver, and the connection is reliable up to 10 meters. The keyboard feels great. It's quiet, smooth, and typing feels really nice. The full-size layout with all the comfortable key spacing is great, and I just love how clean and cheerful it looks. The mouse is simple and ergonomic. It has a comfortable click pressure and a smooth rolling. It also matches the keyboard retro aesthetic perfectly and stays responsive. One of its standouts is the colorful retro design, with some bright pastel keys, round caps, and a fun typewriter vibe that makes your desk pop. And whether you're working from home, chatting on video calls, writing some type of email, or even gaming, this combo is stylish and functional. It's lightweight but really durable enough for daily use. And the keyboard and mouse are really energy efficient. They can go to sleep automatically when they are idle. In short, this combo is a stylish, fun, and ergonomic setup that looks great and types even better. It's perfect if you want a wireless solution that's both functional and charming, and I will really recommend it. See you guys!